Hello students, welcome back. Today we will talk about short-term loan. So in case of short-term loan, we will discuss about the loan from commercial bank, which includes cash credit, overdraft and discounting of bill. So loan for commercial bank. It is one of the easy way to get loan in the short term. Most of the business choose the commercial bank as the first step towards the loan. Means commercial bank is the bank which is near your home, okay, and the purpose of the commercial bank is to earn money, okay. So commercial bank work like earning money from their customers. They earn money by lending the money which they take from their customers, okay. Like you are the customer, you are opening one account in a commercial bank named State Bank of India, okay. So if you are going in a State Bank of India and you are opening one account, okay, and you are depositing 1 lakh rupees, so the bank will provide you the interest of 4 to 6%, okay, and bank will lend that particular amount to their customers as a loan, okay. So as a loan they will charge 10 to 12%. So they will give you 6% and they will charge 12%. So immediate 6% they are earning, okay. So that is why all these commercial banks has been designed for commercial purpose, and they used to earn money from their customer by accepting deposit and lending money to other business units, okay. So now the concept of commercial bank is clear. Now we will talk about the commercial bank short term finance schemes. Basically there are many schemes, but in we will talk about three schemes which commercial bank use for short term finance. First is cash credit, second is overdraft, and third is discounting of bill. So first of all, we will talk about cash credit. What do you mean by cash credit? Under this, the business can borrow the fund from the bank up to the specific limit. The best thing is that the business has to pay the interest on the amount withdrawn. So in case of cash credit, there is an agreement between the business and the bank that a particular limit is been allotted to the businessman, okay. Like we can take an example, there is a company named A Limited, okay. It has good reputation in the market, and somehow the businessman managed to take the facility of cash credit with the commercial bank. The commercial bank has provided him the cash credit of 10 lakh rupees. So if so now this limit will work like this: if a person do not have any money in his account, then also he can withdraw up to rupees 10 lakh, because the limit which has been provided to him is rupees 10 lakh. So this is an optional thing. He can do agreement with the bank for the limit of rupees 10 lakh, but if he needs only 1 lakh, so he will withdraw only 1 lakh. So the best thing with cash credit have is that if you are withdrawing only 1 lakh rupees, so you have to pay interest on only 1 lakh. You don't have to pay interest, you don't have to pay interest on 9 lakh. Only the amount withdrawn is being paid interest by the bank, by the businessman, okay. So this is the best thing which the businessman wants. So every businessman, most of the businessmen have their cash credit account in the commercial bank. It is also known as CC account, cash credit account, okay. Now we will talk about overdraft. An overdraft is a kind of temporary financial facility extended by the bank to its regular customers. A business enterprise can enter into this agreement to take care of temporary shortage of cash. So now we will talk about overdraft. Overdraft is a thing which is a temporary facility, okay, which a bank provide to its good customer who have good transaction in the bank, okay. Reputed customers, the bank provide them the facility of overdraft. This facility can be a type of cash credit, okay. The limit is provided, but they can withdraw the money for 10 to 15 days, maximum 20 days, 15 days, 20 days, not more than that. So the short term financial need can be completed by the this businessman if they are taking this type of overdraft facility. So it is a type of temporary funding. Okay, we can say it is a type of temporary financial facility which is provided by the uh, commercial bank. Okay, now we will talk about discounting of bill of exchange. So commercial bank provides short term finance to business concerned by discounting the bill of exchange. Bank charge some commission for the service by paying a price lower than the face value. So commercial bank also provide the facility of bills of discounting of bill. The first of all we have to clear the concept of the bill. What do you mean by bill? Like if you are selling some goods on credit, okay, and your debtor is not ready to pay the amount on the same date, and he give you some time, like he will pay after 1 month, okay, and the bill amount is of rupees 1 lakh, and you need money after 5 days only. So you have the facility to visit commercial bank and discount the bill from that particular bank. Okay, so you can deposit that bill with the bank, okay, and you can take loan, you can take money from the bank. So the bank will not give you 1 lakh rupees, the bank will give you maybe 95,000, okay, maybe 98,000. Some charges will be deducted by the bank as a fees. This earning will be done by the bank. Okay, so this type of facility is also provided by the bank, which is known as discounting of bill of exchange for their customers for meeting short term requirements. And after the 1 month will complete, so bank will take money from your debtor. Bank will not come to you, bank will go to your debtors and collect the money. Okay, if the debtor is not paying, then only bank will come back to you. Okay, thank you students, I am sending you some worksheets, kindly complete it. If you face any problem you can call me. Okay, thank you.